Hello, my name is Robin Norman, and this video will show more of the game and how to alter it. First of all, I would like to show you a minigame that is in the start menu of the game. You can left click to create cubes. Each cube represents an ability in the game. Hover the cursor on the cube and it will show the information of the ability. If you left click and hold on a cube, you will be able to move it around. Right click to create an explosion. And of course you can create your own little game in the minigame if you'd like to. Let's stop this nonsense and cover how to host a game instead. Press the host game button. First of all, let's set the server name and description and map rotation. As you can see, I've already done that. Now, let's just press start server and then go back into the game. From here, let's try to join that game that we just created. Normally, the game would appear here, but right now I'm just playing over LAN. So to join that game, just connect to your own IP, which is localhost. Choose one of the two teams. I'm gonna go with the aliens for now. Move your character around by pressing WASD and control the cursor with your mouse. What we want to do now is to customize our character. So press escape and click hero. You could also come here by pressing C. To your right is a collection of all items in the game, and to your left, all abilities. To learn abilities, you need XP, and you get 1 XP per second. Now let's learn an ability and assign it to a button. Some abilities are passives, which do not require a key binding. You can freely equip any items you would like to. They do not cost XP. If you want to be a melee character, then select a weapon. Armors and shields make you move slower, but you take less damage from all sources. You can now see your equipment on your character. You can see your abilities and their cooldown on the bottom edge. Normally you would fight other players, but instead I'm going to add a bot with the server. So Alt tab the game to the server, then just press add bot. Bots have different builds, which you can specify yourself. This bot is a bit sneaky. It has the ability called invisibility. That's why it came out of nowhere. If you have trouble finding an ability, you can always search for it. You can also search for a keyword, like heal. Then it will show all abilities that has something to do with healing. Something that might interest some of you is the replay system. It records your game so you can watch it later. Let's watch the game we just played. It works just like any other video. You can go forward and backwards in time. can also see all players' experience, abilities and equipment in the Hero Manager. Freely move around with the camera by using WASD. Press the mouse button to move around with different characters. Of course, you can also pause the game. Now, let's show you the basics on how to alter your server. Minimize the game and restart the server. I always prefer using the testing level to alter the server. Of course, the game has an option menu. Uncheck autofollow camera, so the camera does not follow the direction of the cursor. Now, join the server again. We can alter a lot of things in the game. For example, we can alter the movement speed of the character and what character model to use. But now, let's just try to alter an ability. First, put an eye on something that you want to alter. In this example, I'm going to alter the ability Deathbolt. Just watch how it acts normally. And as you can see, it has about 5 seconds cooldown. First of all, we need to find a file that controls everything. Minimize the game. Right-click on a shortcut to the game. And press Open File Location. From here, go into Game, then open variables.rbn. You can open it with Notepad. I'm using Notepad++. This file contains everything that you can alter in the game. It's quite large, so search for what you want to change. In this example, search for Deathbolt. Let's change some variables. I'm going to alter the cooldown and the speed, first of all. Then I'm going to alter how much lightning come out of it. When you're done, just save the file. It will instantly affect all players on the server.
Variables have been updated.
As you can see, the ability now acts differently from before, and its speed has been reduced. And yes, I'm walking into my own missiles. I'm terrible. Let's alter something else. Say, for example, the global cooldown of the game. When you use an ability, a global cooldown is triggered, so you cannot cast all of your abilities at once. Let's change that. Let's also change the cooldown of Deathbolt.
Variables have been updated.
Now let's see some results. That's all for this video. As you may already know, the game is free, and you can download it in the description of this video. Thank you for watching.